Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite bath and body mist. And before that, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know in the comments which is your favorite perfume or body mist, because I love exploring new perfumes, new mist, whatever. If you guys know any which is really worth a shot, definitely let me know in the comments. And with that note, let's start the video. So last year around December 2019, I was actually looking out for some body mist or perfume. I had used my Carolina Herrera Good Girl, which is by far the best, the most, the most beautiful fragrance I've ever tried. But actually, there was another one which I don't even know which perfume was that when I tried. But Carolina Herrera is the perfume which I used for the longest time, and that one is so beautiful. The day I don't wear that perfume, it feels as if something big is missing out of me when I'm getting ready. So it's really addictive, and that aroma is something I'll keep on stocking up because I love that perfume. And whoever sits next to me, they actually smell that perfume. It was that good. So Carolina Herrera, anyways, they create, like, the line creates really amazing perfumes, and they are good, and whatnot is good about Carolina Herrera. But in this video, I just wanted to say that Carolina Herrera Good Girl, if you are thinking to buy it, I know it's a bit pricey, the design is like really luxurious and all that, but it's totally worth it. It lasts really long. For me, it lasts almost half of the year, and I use it daily. So it's so addictive. It really lasted long on my body, and I really love the perfume Carolina Herrera. But sadly, this video is not about that. I will cover that up in another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bath and Body, two of the favorite mists that I've tried and I loved. So let's start with the first one. So as you know, whenever you talk about Bath and Body, one body mist always comes into discussion. And whenever I was searching, I searched a lot before buying a product. So I did the digging on Google. I searched here and there, and everybody was talking about A Thousand Wishes, and I was like, okay, I should check that out. So what I did, instead of now searching on website, I'm good at online searching, but you know what, for perfumes you must visit the store. So I thought it was December, there was a Christmas sale going on, why not to go there, experience the perfume and then buy it. First of all, the Bath and Body store looks like a Christmas carol when you see it. It's so stunning during that time. It looks so amazing. They have candles, and they are really popular for their body mist and candles. Oh my god, the candles were like even so addictive. They smell so good, like Christmas, like simply like Christmas evening. That's how they smell. And there was so much variety to it, and even in the body mist you have such a huge variety. I was sort of lost in that store. I stood there for around good 45 50ish minutes because I was really loving that store. It was really amazing. It was so stunning. They have decorated it so well. So huge applaud for the workers out there. They do such an amazing job. So it was so addictive, and I was like, okay, I want body mist. And the workers out there, the helpers, they are so good. They actually reached out to me. They were showing each and every mist present in the store, and I was kind of actually pissing them off because I was asking so many questions about every mist, and they were so polite and kind to me. So thank you so much for such behavior. I actually checked out each and every mist, and I was like, okay, I liked one of the mist. I'll keep it aside. Then I'll search out because I wanted at least one or two for myself, two for one of my friends. So the guy was really kind and humble. He said, "Ma'am, can you try out this one? And it's really famous. It's a bestseller in Asia. This is the Thousand Wishes by Bath and Body." So this is how it looks. You can have a closer look. It looks so stunning, firstly, and I really love the packaging. It's quite simple. It's plastic, and the nozzle, it's very easy. It sprays like really well, and it was really good. So I was like, okay, Thousand Wishes I've heard so many times. So you have so many good collections which are new and people love them too. So I would rather go for something new than going for the same old, no popular, but the same old mist, and he was like, ma'am, please try it first, then maybe you can move on to something else, but just give it a try because it is the best seller. You might like it based on what I've seen you're going for. He sprayed a little bit on the tester and then I smelled it. So it smells like musky as well as flowery, but a little bit of hint of fruit in it, which comes up after a certain period of time. Like the very initial notes are basically the layers that you smell in the perfume first. So first note, second note, and so on. So the first note is basically flowers. You feel as if you have spread fresh flowers around you, and then it has a little bit of tangy aroma to it, not like fresh orange or anything straightforward. No, it's much more beautifuler, like grapefruit. It smells so good. A Thousand Wishes is still the best aroma you can find, or the perfume, body mist, whatever you want to call it, in the Bath and Body Store, and it smells so good, so good. I like more of vanilla musky aroma, but sadly in mist you don't usually find vanilla that much. They have a range of vanilla, but that was like straightforward vanilla. I didn't want it that. In Carolina Herrera there is a hint of vanilla and muskiness to it. You don't straightforward feel vanilla ice cream sitting right there on you. So this one actually has a floral hint to it. Then it also have like a muscular, way. It's not straightforward a plain mist, and that's what I like. It has layer, it has more notes, and I really have enjoyed this one since I've used. And I've been using it so much, but it lasts really long. And I didn't told you the price, so it costed me rupees 1295. Then there was a sale going on, so I picked up four, two for myself, other one I'll tell you in a minute. Two for myself and two for my friend. So we had four, and they gave a huge discount, and they gave me a teddy as well over there as a gift for Christmas. That was really sweet of them. The store was like so welcoming. The people out there were like so nice and kind. I really loved their way of dealing with customers. And I took so long just to buy four products, and they were so kind enough to give me so much attention and time. I really loved it. So this is about A Thousand Wishes. If you guys are interested or planning to have some good mist within 1500 rupees, I would suggest go for this. It is around 1200 rupees. You see the quantity, it's 8 fluid ounce, which is a huge amount for 1200 rupees. Smells good, stays on my body for around good 3-4 hours. Then I spray it again. Like, wow, this is affordable, right? It's not perfume that I need to think about. So perfume usually stays on my body for a really long time. Like Carolina Herrera, I used to spray twice in the morning because I was addicted to it, and then it stays all day long. You need not to spray it again, but this one you can spray again. So twice a day is enough for this one. So definitely give it a try. You guys will love it. And for your information, Bath and Body is available online on India, and they deliver to your doorsteps or your society gate because of coronavirus. But they are really kind, and they deliver at your house also if you know which exact perfume you want to go for or candle you want to go for. So this is about this. When I found A Thousand Wishes, I was like really happy, and I was like, I can go home, but then I had to buy another one because if you buy four, there was a offer going on. If you buy four mist, you will have something as a gift or a discount. So I had to buy another one. Then there was another aroma which was like good, and I was like more into it. It was warm. I really love warm scents. Like this one, Thousand Wishes, is also really warm. So I wanted something warm and rich. So when I was searching, I just actually went through one area of that shop, and I was like, what was that? It smelled so good and so rich. I was like, what was it? Because the candles were like so beautiful, and the aroma of the candles were like so amazing. I was like, is it a candle? Then the guy was like, no ma'am, this is not candle, this is another mist. Do you want to try? And I was like, of course, because it stopped me and I have to see what is it. So this was like a limited edition. I'm sorry if it's not available right now, but I just felt like sharing with you guys. This one is Almond Blossom, and this is fine mist again 8 fluid ounce, and this costed me 12.99. So this is how it looks. A really simple and stunning beautiful bottle. nothing else I could say. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. I really love the packaging on this one. So when I came across, I was like almond blossom, and I'm not a person who ever have imagined having almond oil in your perfume. I was like, really, why would I do that? But when I smelled it, let me tell you how it smells, because this thing made me buy it and just leave everything else as it is. So it's again warm. As I said, I like only warm perfumes. Firstly, it has vanilla aroma, which is my favorite. If any perfume has vanilla, I will buy it definitely. But should not be woody, okay? So vanilla but woody, excluding the woody aroma. It smells vanilla. It has cashmere musk aroma, and it has almond oil. So you can imagine vanilla, almond oil, and cashmere being mixed together. Man, it smells so amazing, and I wish Bath and Body could just continue this. This one is for like regular use. I use like when I want to go out and office or somewhere like I'm in easy peasy. This one I want to keep it safe, so I use it only for special places, special occasions. Almond. I never imagined in my life that something would have almond, I would even buy it. But this thing smells so good, and don't get a wrong imagination by having all these flowers out there. It does not feel like flowers at all. Flowery is Thousand Wishes. That one is like more floral. This one is just so stunning, like nutty vanilla, cashmere, almond oil. It's so addictive, and you know what? Even in during this time when we are all in a lockdown and I could not go out, just because I want to feel good, sometimes I just spray this thing on myself, and it feels so good because it smells so good. You must be thinking like, really, is that good? I wish you guys could smell this right now, but if you go to the store and if you have time, please, if they have stock of almond blossom, do give it a check. So it's not that harsh. It's really warm, soft, mild fragrance. Both are like Thousand Wishes and almond blossom. Both are like really soft and really easy. No, the people sitting next to you won't be bothered by these perfume. In fact, they will be addicted to that. Is a limited edition, and if you have possibility that nearby store have this, if the lockdown gets over by some point, definitely give it a try. Almond blossom, you will fall in love. I wish I could pick another one, but this one I think it's a limited edition. That was I was told even when I saw on their website. It is now no longer available. So whenever you have time, I don't know why such beautiful fragrances are just cut off. Even A Thousand Wishes, this one has a revised version now. I don't know why they do it. They are already so stunning. I searched the entire store for around an hour just to find two perfumes for myself, and my friend found two for himself. So that's what we did. Like, we took so much time and found the best, and suddenly I came to know on the website today that they both are getting. I don't know. This one is so like discontinued, and this one is like reformulated. I don't know why there was a need. Thousand Wishes since 2014 has been a huge hit. So let me tell you what the Almond Blossom got launched in. I think it was launched very recently. Okay, so I just found out that Almond Blossom was launched in 2018, and it in 2020 has been discontinued, and it was anyways a limited edition. So when I saw it, I was like, definitely I'm going to buy this. And this was launched in 2014, and now in 2020 has been reformulated. I don't know why companies do this to us when something is so good, so addictive, and it's like I took 1 hour to find these two out of the entire bunch of mist they have. My friend found two other ones. I'll just insert the picture right here to tell you which one he bought for himself, for a guy. So those were like even stunning. So the blue one was like really fresh, and I really loved it for summer. The other one, Dark Temptation, Dark Kisses, something like that. That was even really addictive for a man. So if you are a guy and looking for body mist on a like budget, like definitely go for those two. Those are like really good for guys. And if you're a lady, definitely give a try to these two. You will fall in love, because I have fallen in love. This I sometimes mix these two, and these go well again. So your wish. Sometimes I spray them on my hair just to feel good enough because I'm not going out, and during lockdown I just want to feel lively. I feel Bath and Body is such a beautiful brand and they have really amazing products. They have such amazing candles. Now that time it was like I went crazy and bought so many things, so I did not have the budget to go for their candles. They are a bit expensive. The ones which I love was around 2000 or something, and that was like a quite expensive candle for me. So I thought I'll wait and buy something, and there was like something called Christmas, something like that. I don't recall. It was such a beautiful aroma, and I was like, I wish I could pick it that time. The guy showed me, and I was like, wow, this is so stunning. Just burning that candle on every evening would be like so beautiful. And they have so many varieties. If you are not someone who's into flowers or like fruity aromas or like vanilla or cashmere sort of aromas, you can definitely go for the plain candles. They have so much in wooden, aloe, plant based. They have huge variety. I just love Bath and Body altogether. It's a simple yet loving yet stunning brand. The people who work there, they are like really kind and helpful. They are so humble, which you don't see in many stores. So that's all for today. If you guys are interested in perfumes and you want me to make another video on my Carolina Herrera perfume, let me know. I'll definitely do that. And I love perfumes. I cannot stay without them, or body mist. I need something to sniff all the time. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this short and quick video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Or do you have any other comment, or you just want to say hi? So hi. So I'll see you guys very soon. You take care. Bye bye.